This is the Ginish power strip. The little instruction manual says that it's also a surge protector. You get 3 USB ports that are 2.4 volts. I mean 2.4 amps, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
And you get 1, 2, 3 110 volt outlets. The cord is about 4 feet long. You get a little Velcro to wind it up and tidy it all up together. It's good for travel. If you have a smaller work area for your computer, you don't want to have a huge power strip, you can use this. You know, it makes it nice and compact. You get, like I said, you have one for your phone, one for your tablet, or whatever you may have that you want to charge. Has a pretty good output, and the Velcro, like I said before, the Velcro is good for tightening it all up. You know, in a minute, I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's plugged in. So here we have the phone and the tablet plugged in. Nothing's charging. I'm going to push the button to get the strip running. See the little blue light light up. And then it should be charging. You see the little bolt design, electric design that comes on the little battery. So it's charging. It's doing its job. This one's charging via USB. And this one is charging via 110 volt. That's the review on the Ginish power strip. Price point, I think, is pretty fair on it, and it makes a nice little compact unit, guys. Enjoy.